Hello, I'm Captain Paul Ciabotti. I'm the Deputy Area Engineer here at the United States Military Academy. So in July, West Point and the Hudson Valley area of New York received a 1 in a 1,000-year storm. Multiple inches of rain came through the area and really caused havoc on multiple roads. So after the storm in July, USACE teamed with Department of Public Works here on post. They assessed what happened on the upcoming project sites, and they determined that we needed to have approximately 10 emergency storm projects activated here on post. So the Corps' main goal here is to build USMA back better than it's ever been before, and to get after these projects as soon as possible. So these are all design build, and they're getting after the work they can now as the design phase is also going on. One thing I think that's really cool about a project like this when you have an emergency is all the teamwork that comes into play. And it was very obvious here on post, DPW, the Corps, and then the support that we received from the local population to get these contracts in quickly and for them to make quick assessments as to how the work could get done so that we can get after what you see behind me with execution phase happening.